Now let's see the fourth question from the first main of exercise 8.2. The question is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Here you should know what are the values of sin 30, tan 45, cosec 60, sec 30, cos 60 and cot 45. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Sec 30 2 by root 3. Cos 60 1 by 2. Cot 45 1. Students, you should by heart the table which was given in the first video. It is given in your textbook also. You can refer page number 185, table 8.1. Now, let us see how you are going to simplify this. I will explain the numerator part first. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3. Let's see what are the denominators in this part. Here you have 2, here you have 1, here you have root 3. So, multiplying the entire term by 2 root 3. Why? The LCM is 2 root 3. Here if I multiply with 2 root 3, 2 and 2 get cancels and root 3 remains. That is the root 3 here. 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Then 2 by root 3 into 2 root 3. Do you want me to show that once? Let's see. Two by root 3 into 2 root 3. What happens? Root 3 and root 3 get cancels. So what is remaining? 2 into 2. 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2? 4. Now you understood how this 2 by root 3 into 2 root 3 became 4. Isn't it? Similarly, the same steps you are going to follow in the denominator part also. 2 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. Here which are the denominators? Here also it's root 3 and 2. So you will multiply the entire these terms 2, 1, 1 by 2 root 3. Here I showed you 2 by root 3 into 2 root 3 is 4. 1 by 2 into 2 root 3 is root 3. 1 into 2 root 3 is 2 root 3. Now you can see this and this are same. 2 root 3 is coming twice. So you can cancel this. Okay. So what is remaining? Root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now here you can see root 3 plus 2 root 3. What is root 3 plus 2 root 3? It is 3 root 3. 3 root 3 minus 4. Here what can I write? 4 plus 3 root 3. Now you can see radical part in the denominator. So you will multiply it with the conjugate. Hope you know what is conjugate. So 4 minus 3 root 3 and 4 minus 3 root 3. The conjugate of 4 plus 3 root 3 is 4 minus 3 root 3. You are multiplying the denominator and the numerator by 4 minus 3 root 3. Here you will apply a plus b into a minus b. That is 4 square and 3 root 3 the whole square. Here 4 square minus 3 root 3 the whole square. Let's see what happens. 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9 and root 3 square is 3. What is 9 into 3? 27. So 16 minus 27. You will get the answer as minus 11. Students, do you have any doubt in calculating 3 root 3 the whole square? You can calculate it as 3 square into root 3 square. Okay. So what is 3 square? 3 square is 9 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. That's how I got 27 here. Okay. Hope you understood the calculation here. So what did you get? 12 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 plus 12 root 3 by negative 11. You have 12 root 3 plus 12 root 3, 24 root 3 minus 27 minus 16 is minus 43. So the last answer is 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Are you astonished to see positive 11 here? Nothing happened, children. This negative sign I have interchanged it. Okay. Here it became 43 minus 24 root 3 by positive 11. Hope you understood the concept clearly. Now we'll go to the fifth question. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Students, you will not have much confusion here because you can see all the terms are having square. If you have square in the calculation, it is very easy because radicals will never come. I mean that root sign will not come. 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Now we substituted the values. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, sec 30 is 2 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Taking the square of all the terms, after calculation you will get 67 by 12. You will get 67 by 12. Clear? Next. This is the end of evaluate the following in exercise 8.2. The second main in the exercise 8.2 is choose the correct option and justify your choice. The first question is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30. You are given 4 options in your textbook. Now we will substitute the value for tan 30. That is 1 by root 3. Then what is tan square 30? 1 by root 3 the whole square. Okay. Now 2 into 1 by root 3. What is that? 2 by root 3. 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square. Can you tell me what is 1 by root 3 the whole square? It is 1 by 3. It is 1 by 3. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. Taking LCM. Why? This is fractional addition. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 3. You will get 4 by 3. 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. Taking the reciprocal, you will get 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Here, what will I get? See, here I can cancel root 3 and here 3. I'll get 3 here, root 3 here. Then 2 into 2, what is that? 4. So what is the term remaining here? It's 3 root 3 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2. Now the answer is root 3 by 2 sine 60. Root 3 by 2 is sine 60. So the first answer is correct option is A. Clear? Next question. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. Students, you know what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Do you want any other calculation there for that? If the numerator is 0, the whole calculation will go. So the final answer is 0. Clear? In that, the correct option is D. Next question. Here the question is sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. Whether it is true or not, or if it is true, for which value? 2a and a. Here the value of the angle is 2a and here the value of the angle is a. Let's see. Sine 2a equal to 2 sine a. For only which value? 0. If the angle is 0, sine 2a, that means 2 into 0, again it is 0. So for the value of 0 degree, sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a. That is a property which you learn in this chapter. Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a when the angle is 0. What is the property? Sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a when the angle is 0. Next, fourth question. 2 tan 30 by 1 minus tan square 30. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3. So what is tan square 30? 1 by root 3 the whole square. Here students, the thing is, you have to learn the fractional addition and multiplication, division and all for this. Nothing related to trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios, if you learn that table, you will come to know. But here the calculation is more important than any other chapters. Here you can see 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3. Now 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square. You should know what is 1 by root 3 the whole square. 1 by 3. Now 1 by 1 minus 1 by 3. It is 2 by 3. So what is the given equation? 2 by root 3 divided by what is that? It is 2 by 3. Isn't it? That is 2 by 3. Now how will you divide this fraction? You will multiply it with the reciprocal of the second fraction. That is 2 by 3 into 3 by 2. That is what we have given here. Clear? Now, if you know cancellation, you can do it here. That is root 3 and root 3 will go in root 3. And 2 and 2 get cancelled. Root 3. What is root 3? It is tan 60. Clear? So correct option is C. Students, you should learn how to calculate after substitution. Anyways, we will discuss it in Monday morning class.